Most people think Mistplay stopped paying them completely when points suddenly stop updating. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the issue is caused by tracking problems, app permissions, or gameplay activity not registering correctly. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is uninstalling games too quickly, or creating multiple accounts trying to fix the problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Mistplay not giving points in 2026, why it happens, and the fastest ways to get your rewards tracking again. Let's get straight into it. First, check whether you installed the game directly through Mistplay. This is where most people fail. They download a game from the Play Store manually, instead of launching it through the Mistplay app. For example, Alex installed a game separately first, then later opened Mistplay expecting rewards to track automatically. But Mistplay usually needs the game to be launched from inside the app for tracking to work properly. So open Mistplay, find the game inside your library, and launch it directly from there. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if you installed the game correctly, Android permissions can still block point tracking. Go into your phone settings and make sure Mistplay has permissions enabled, especially usage access and app tracking permissions if required on your device version. Without those permissions, Mistplay may not detect gameplay time correctly. But here's the problem. Some users leave games running in the background thinking they'll earn points automatically. Mistplay tracks engagement, not just idle screen time. For example, Jake left a game open while watching videos and barely earned anything because the app detected low interaction. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to improve point tracking immediately. First, actively play the game, instead of staying idle. Complete levels, interact with menus, and spend consistent time inside supported games. Another important thing is checking whether the game still offers rewards. Some games eventually stop generating points after reaching certain milestones or usage limits. Now here's another thing many users miss. Mistplay sometimes delays point updates temporarily during server congestion or app maintenance. So before panicking, refresh the app, close it completely, and reopen it after a few minutes. Users like John often assume rewards disappeared permanently when the points were simply delayed. If points still don't appear, update Mistplay to the latest version from the Play Store. Older versions can sometimes create tracking problems after system updates. And if nothing works, contact Mistplay support directly with screenshots of the game activity, playtime, and missing rewards. The more details you provide, the easier it is for support to review your issue. One more important warning. Avoid VPNs, modified apps, or multiple accounts. Misplay's system can flag suspicious activity, which may pause or limit rewards completely. So to recap, install games directly through Mistplay, enable permissions, actively play supported games, update the app, and contact support if needed. Most tracking issues can actually be fixed once you know what's causing them. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if your Mistplay points started working again. And if you want more updated Mistplay tutorials and fixes for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.